Hey friends, this is Litecoin here, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that for the past several days, the price line of Litecoin found a very nice uptrend line support from 6th of November 2024 up till 18th of December. It has been moving above this support and bouncing very well. Like we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and finally we have broken down this support. And now if the price and again moves up from here, by the way, it has tested this long-term support of $100. I was telling you that this is a very strong long-term support, and you can see that after testing the support, the price and is now gearing up. And now if the price and breaks out the next resistance of $114.63, then it can again try to break out this previous uptrend line support that can now work as a resistance for the price line. This time, this resistance will be slightly higher than this long-term resistance of 100 and $35. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this upcoming resistance of $114.63 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And before that, in the month of June 2023, it has been breaking as a strong resistance. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Litecoin formed on the monthly time frame chart. And therefore, this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Litecoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared in the previous month on 5th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying sign and sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying line and rallied to the sell target line. This was a very, very massive rally, more than 116%. Very, very massive rally. Now, let me take you to the long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 29th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a very, very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that Litecoin completed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that when I shared this signal with my members at that time, the price was moving at $62.80. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has geared up and so far it has rallied up to $147. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move starts from $224 and goes to $348. By the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart in here. Previously, I've been showing you this down channel breakout and a breakout from this ascending triangle and from this up channel as well. We broke out all these patterns, and I was telling you that target will be here at the top of the channel for this breakout from the channel at $100, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond the target. By the way, at $100, we had a very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $100 this level has been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, and for several weeks a month it has been breaking here as a support as well. Therefore, now again it worked as a very, very nice support. You can see that after testing the support of $100. Despite this long spike to the downside, the price and could not break it down and gear it up. And now we need to break out the next resistance of $114.63 and the resistance of $135. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart once again, and you can see that this $135 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and again worked as a strong resistance here as well. Now let's take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and huge falling wedge pattern. That breakout target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.